The 2019 hurricane season predictions are in. On Thursday, May 23rd, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration released their initial forecast on what to expect for this season.
Overall, the Atlantic hurricane season outlook calls for a near normal season with a 70% chance of 9 to 15 named storms with top winds at least 39 miles an hour.
Of those 9 to 15 expected systems, NOAA says it is likely that 4 to 8 of those will become hurricanes, of which 2 to 4 could escalate into major hurricanes, meaning Category 3, 4, or 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. The forecast considers large-scale weather patterns to make the outlook. These factors can either inhibit or help the development of tropical cyclones.
Atmospheric and ocean conditions that factored into this outlook include competing signals. On one hand, the ongoing El Nino is expected to persist and suppress activity in the Atlantic hurricane season. On the other hand, a combination of warmer than average sea surface temperatures in the tropical Atlantic and Caribbean, combined with an enhanced West African monsoon, favor increased activity.
Earlier in the year, well-renowned forecasters at Colorado State University released their outlook for a slightly below average season. Regardless of the forecast, the real message is preparedness.
Preparing means reviewing and creating your emergency evacuation plans and gathering your supplies now in case your area is hit by a hurricane.
No matter what the outlook, it's essential you learn your own risks for the hurricane season and have a plan in place long before a storm threatens. Stay with WeatherNation all week, May 26th through June 1st for Hurricane Prep Week. Learn more about tropical cyclones and ways to get ready to stay ahead of the storm. For WeatherNation, I'm meteorologist Karissa Klos.